Good afternoon, everyone, and for all those who will be viewing this presentation this afternoon, or whenever you will review it. My good task today is to explain to you or to say to you about this dynamic bioenergy massage therapy, and also, or we call it 10x therapy. Why? Because 10x therapy provides for you 10 times the efficiency, 10 times of the work that a normal regular massage would give. I hold in my hands 2 pairs of gloves. One thing I like about this therapy, and I must pinpoint it, is that between you and your client, you will never touch the client, because your hands, these 2 pairs of gloves, are always between you and your client. That makes it really unique, because we are spirit beings. We transfer spirits, and you can only transfer spirits in many ways, and one way is through touching. Well, I have my student with me today, and she will be helping me, and I will be using her, part of her, to show which areas that this electromagnetic energy machine works through the body. It is a very unique machine in that we get to transfer energy from this machine through these gloves and to a person's body. What does it do? Well, the patient or the client or an assistant can help with adjusting the various intensity of the machine using this device. And if the person is knowledgeable of it, they can use it, as well as a client, the specialist assistant can help with this device right here, this little simple device, very important one. Well, upon using these gloves and putting these on, I can be able, through this machine, these gloves, and my client, I'm able to detect areas on the client's back. Can you turn for me? And I can detect areas on the client's back from the top of the spine all the way down to the buttocks and below. Areas that are blocked, areas that have weakness, areas that are deficient. Even by the look of the client's skin, I can tell which areas, what is going on in the client over a period of time. With the use of these gloves, and you always use them wet, because electricity is transferred easily through wet gloves. So from this machine, through these gloves, onto the client's back, I'm able to unblock areas of the lungs, the heart, the liver, the stomach, and the kidneys, and also the reproductive organs of the individual. I also can see areas that are blocking the legs, lower legs, the buttocks, the legs, the calf, the ankles, and virtually every area of a client's body. I can detect which areas are blocked, and then over a period of time, having worked with this machine, I'm able to unblock those areas and also to provide rejuvenation, revitalization to the person's body. It is energy. So energy is being transferred from the bioenergy machine to the gloves to the person's back. And we work through meridians. There are areas, 12 meridians, through which a person's body, we pass this electromagnetic energy through a person's body, giving them the intensity that they can most likely accept or feel relaxed or comfortable with, or even greater intensity depending on how much they can take on their bodies. And over a succession of touching the various acupuncture points on the person's body, I am able to open those areas, like I said, and provide energy to revitalize the immunity. I am so excited about this therapy, this 10x therapy. I am so excited because for years I have studied the body and I've studied nutrition, and now I am able to provide my client the energy, the revitalization that he or she needs. I am looking forward to becoming a master in using this device to help my clients, not only here in the Bahamas, but all over the world, because it is a dynamic, phenomenal, and life-changing device, life-changing therapy that many of us, one person at a time, can receive and benefit from.